Drug discovery and development, from bench to bedside, an overview of the journey from research to patient care. Every drug we use today, from pain relievers to life-saving cancer therapies, began with an idea and years of rigorous research. Today, we'll explore how these life-changing medicines make their way from the lab to the pharmacy shelf. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the stages of drug discovery and development, learn about the time, cost, and effort involved, examine real-world examples of drug breakthroughs, explore how technology is revolutionizing the process. What is drug discovery? The process of identifying potential new medications. Why is it important? To find treatments for unmet medical needs and improve patient care. Historical example: penicillin discovery by Alexander Fleming in 1928 revolutionized infection treatment. Stages of drug development: target identification, lead compound discovery, preclinical testing, clinical trials, phases 1 through 3. Regulatory approval and post-marketing surveillance. Think of it as building a bridge. Every stage must be solid before moving to the next. Every single step matters. Target identification. What is target identification? It's the critical first step. Finding those biological molecules like proteins or enzymes that play a significant role in a disease. Example: take the HER2 protein, a game-changing target in breast cancer treatment, leading to the development of life-saving drugs like trastuzumab, better known as Herceptin. Lead compound discovery. What's next? Lead compound discovery. This is where innovation takes center stage, identifying small molecules or compounds that can interact with the target. How? Through high-throughput screening, testing thousands of compounds at lightning speed, or computer-aided drug design where advanced software models the perfect interactions. Example: did you know aspirin originated from salicylic acid found in willow bark? Scientists modified it for better effectiveness and fewer side effects. A true breakthrough. Preclinical testing. Now, let's dive into preclinical testing, where the stakes get even higher. What happens here? Animal models and cell cultures take the spotlight, assessing 3 vital factors. 1. Safety. Is the drug toxic? 2. Pharmacokinetics. How does the body process it? 3. Pharmacodynamics. What effects does it have on the body? Example in action. Before cancer drugs ever reach humans, they are tested in mouse models to see if tumors shrink. A pivotal moment in drug development. Did you know? Here's the tough truth. 90% of drugs fail at this stage. Yes, 90%. Safety concerns or lack of efficacy stop them in their tracks. Each step is a testament to precision, innovation, and unwavering commitment to saving lives. That's the power of the drug development. Clinical trials, where science meets human testing. Phases of clinical trial. Step by step. Phase 1, safety first. Imagine this: 20 to 100 healthy individuals stepping up to test a new drug for the very first time. The mission? Evaluating its safety. A bold and essential start. Phase 2, the efficacy journey. Next up, efficacy and dosage. A few hundred patients with the condition join the trial, helping researchers determine if the drug really works and at what dose. Phase 3, the final frontier. Now it's time for the big leagues. Phase 3. Thousands of diverse patients come together for large-scale testing. Safety and efficacy are under the microscope like never before. Example: remember the COVID-19 vaccines? They underwent rigorous Phase 3 trials involving tens of thousands of volunteers worldwide, a historic effort. Regulatory approval, the gatekeepers of medicine. Who approves drugs? It's all in the hands of regulatory giants like the FDA in the USA and the EMA in Europe, along with agencies worldwide. What do they review? From preclinical and clinical trial data to manufacturing processes and quality control, no detail is too small. 3 key facts. Did you know? On average, regulatory approval takes 6 to 10 months, but in urgent cases like the COVID-19 vaccines, fast-track approvals can cut this time drastically. The bottom line: clinical trials and regulatory approval are more than processes, they're lifelines. Precision, perseverance, and people are at the heart of every breakthrough. Post-marketing surveillance, the watchful eye after approval. What is post-marketing surveillance? The journey doesn't end at approval. Post-marketing surveillance ensures a drug's safety and effectiveness in the real world.
Tools used. From adverse event reporting to regular safety updates, the goal is clear: keeping patients safe. Example: remember Vioxx? The arthritis drug was recalled after unexpected cardiovascular risks emerged post-launch. A critical lesson in vigilance. Challenges in drug development: the uphill battle. Major challenges: high costs. Each drug cost over $2.6 billion to develop, a staggering investment. Time consuming. Think about this. It takes 10 to 15 years to bring a single drug to market. High risk of failure. Out of 10,000 compounds, only one reaches the finish line. The stakes are incredibly high. Let's dive in. Role of technology in drug discovery: a game changer. Key innovations: artificial intelligence, AI. AI is revolutionizing the field, predicting potential drug candidates with unmatched speed. CRISPR gene editing. CRISPR technology is validating drug targets like never before. Precision at its finest. Big data. By analyzing massive datasets, we're uncovering new insights into diseases and treatments. Example: here's a breakthrough. AI identified baricitinib as a treatment for COVID-19 in just weeks. A shining example of technology's impact. Insight: technology is the driving force behind faster, cheaper, and more accurate drug development. Success stories. Triumphs of science and humanity. Case study 1. Insulin. Discovered in 1921, insulin transformed diabetes management forever, a true medical marvel. Case study 2. mRNA vaccines. COVID-19 vaccines were developed in record time, building on decades of mRNA research, a historic achievement. Let's celebrate these milestones together. Conclusion: the heart of drug discovery. Summary: drug discovery is a marathon, a long and challenging journey filled with obstacles. Collaboration: it takes a united effort from scientists, clinicians, and regulators to make breakthroughs happen. Key takeaway: behind every drug is a story of science, perseverance, and above all, hope.